In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for book reports. This is a simple way to create summaries and structured reports for books. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help with a book report. For example, I might type, "Write a book report about a novel that includes a summary, main themes, and key characters." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate a book report draft, usually including a summary of the story, important themes, and key details. If I want a more detailed report, I can include more information in my prompt, such as the book title, author, or specific requirements. For example, I might type, "Write a book report about a classic novel with a focus on character development." Claude can also help organize the report into clear sections like introduction, summary, analysis, and conclusion. Once the report is ready, I can copy the content and edit it if needed before submitting it. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to create a book report. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.